Welcome to this morning movement practice. I love to do this every morning to help me wake up and feel really alert and ready for the day. Come to a comfortable standing position. Feel the breath moving through the body. And then we'll start with our tapping practice. Fingertips to collarbones, tapping above and below the collarbones. So we start here as this is an important drainage point in the lymphatic system. Moving over to the right side, tapping around the armpit, above, below, maybe with fists or maybe just with fingertips. And then starting to get in there with your hands, massaging a little stronger around the armpits. Also a very important point for lymphatic drainage. And we're going to start to tap down the arm. Fingertips or fist, you decide. Spending a bit of time on the elbow crease, tapping your way up and down. Then pulling out each of the fingers and then rubbing up the arm. Moving to the other side now. Left arm, left armpit, above, below, around. Then massaging underneath the armpit. Seeing if there's any muscle tension, and then moving down the left arm. Lots of action with the chickens this morning. Spending a bit of time on the elbow crease, and then when you're ready, big strokes up the arm, quite firm, and then pulling out the fingers one at a time. Tapping now on the torso, coming up nice and high on the rib cage. Working your way down to the back side of the body, upper back, lower back. Can help to bend over to reach. Coming into the hips, massaging out the stomach, really getting your fingers in there, giving it a gentle tug. Backs at the bottom, upper thighs, and then standing back up, and we'll get into the hip crease. It can be helpful to move side to side. Moving down the thighs, the inner thighs, outer thighs. Down the backs of the calves, giving the calves a squeeze. And then behind the knees, another important drainage point for lymphatic system. Working our way all the way up the body, up to the neck, rubbing down the neck, nice and gently with the hands, pressing behind your ears. Give yourself a little massage as we hear. Two fingers now gently tapping the face. Be very gentle here. Rubbing out the face slightly. And then we'll finish with a little scalp massage if your hair is available to touch the crown of the head, maybe the base of the skull. See if you can get your fingers gently moving everything around. Move on to our free movement, more Qigong style part of the class. So starting with some shaking, releasing everything, letting your body be heavy, letting the hands, the limbs move as they like. Not worrying so much about what it looks like, just what it feels like. So it can help to close the eyes. And we'll start with some twists, holding your hands together, moving your body side to side. You can lift up one heel at a time, making the twists a bit bigger now. And then one hand up at a time, up and back. Really opening up the front side of the body. Make these movements big. You can feel really good. And then we'll do our side to side movements with the arms, reversing the palms. A few more trunk twists. And then lifting up both heels, your hands up on your toes, and then shooting back down with the arms. Big lift, big drop. Inhale, exhale, lifting up high. Finding your balance, bracing the core. And coming back more into some hopping movements, letting everything shake. Releasing anything you don't want. Make it as big as you can. Let the hands flop side to side. Release everything. Shaking your hands to the side, eventually bringing them up overhead. Flicking through the fingers, through the wrists. Spending a few more moments here in our free movement, and we'll finish today with these floppy arms with momentum, swinging your hands up to your opposite shoulder. This can feel really nice. You get into a bit of a rhythm here, so just allow it to flow. Allow the movement to feel good in your body. And whenever you remember closing the eyes, find a little shake out, getting slower, slower, rolling the shoulders back. Feeling all the movement in the body, everything we've awoken. We'll finish as we started. One hand to your stomach, one hand to your heart. Hopefully you're feeling nice and awake now, ready for a big day ahead. I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day, and I'll see you in another class soon.